Hello, good morning. How you doing? My name is Jimmy Chris. Welcome to Value Media, where we give you tips that will help you to add more value to your life. Life is about garbage in and garbage out, and whatever you put in there is what you're going to get out here. And so today, I want to give you about 7 things that will help you to add more value to your life. Now, these things might sound like common knowledge and all that, but it is said that common knowledge is not common, and even if it is common, it's not also common practice, right? So but I believe if you are able to apply these things that I'm going to talk to you about, right, they will help add value to what you do. And once you're able to add value to what you do, then it means you can make more out of what you do, right? So let's get into it. So the things I want to give you, I have about 7 things here to give to you that will help you to add more value to your life. But I don't know, maybe if we're unable to finish the 7 today, then I will have to do the remaining ones in another video. All right, so let's get into it. So the number one thing you need to do if you want to add value to what you do is you must learn to do what you do on time. Right? Learn to do what you do on time. It is said that what is worth doing is worth doing well. But I've always told people that what is worth doing is worth doing on time. Right? Sometimes all you need, to make a difference is timing. Right? And doing things on time give you that, extra edge where you're able to do things, differently and add more value to what you do. All right? That is it. So, number one, learn to do things on time. That would add value to what you do. The second thing you need to do if you want to add value to what you do is be committed to what you do. Right? Can I tell you the truth about life? The difference between those who are successful and those who are not. One of the things that make the difference is commitment. Right? And what is commitment? Commitment is doing it when you feel like it and when you do not feel like it. That is what commitment is to me, and that is what commitment is. Commitment is when you feel like doing it and when you don't feel like doing it, but you still go ahead to do what you need to do. Commitment says it must be done, whether you feel like it or not. Right? So you do it not because you feel like doing it, but you do it because you know this thing must be done. Once you're committed to what you do, in the process you'll be adding value to what you do. Right? So one, learn to do things on time, or learn to do what you do on time. Right? The second thing is be committed to what you do. The third thing I want to talk about is spending quality time. That looks like commitment too, right? But it's part of it. So a lot of people who are successful today or successful in what they do, if you ask them, they will tell you one of the things they did, at the initial stage is that they spent a lot of time in what they were doing. And that is why they are successful today. Now, because when you spend time on a thing, what you're doing is that you are adding value to that thing. And when I talk about spending quality time, I mean quality time. I'm not talking about just spending time. Anybody can spend time on a thing, but there's a difference between spending time and spending quality time on what you do. So I'm talking about spending quality time on what you do, right? And if you spend quality time on what you do, you're going to create space for that thing, right, to really flourish. So number one is what? Do it on time, be committed to it. And the third one is what? Spend quality time on it. Now let's take this one for the last one, because I don't want this video to be too long. I want it to just be a short video that you can listen to and learn from, right? The last one is that to add value to what you do, you must learn to speak about what you do. Other people call it promotion. Talk about what you do. If you actually want to add value about what you do, right, or on what you do, you must speak about it. You must talk to other people about it. You must be proud of it, right? Because if you're not proud of it, you can speak about it. So you must be proud of it in order for you to be able to speak about it. So if you are, by the time you begin to speak about it, what you're doing is that you're adding value to it. Let me tell you something. This is what a lot of people do not know. The more you talk about a thing, right, whether negatively or positively, the more value you create or you place on that thing. Because the more you talk about it, people begin to think about it. The more of